Hello guys, how are you? It's Cody again. So today I wanna share the experience regarding the DevSecOps exam and the certification that I already passed in December. And I wanna just share the information, share the experience that I had with you. So maybe some of you are also going to take this exam, and just maybe I can just give you some tips or hints. So just write a comment if you are also going to participate in this course, or you already got the certification. So for me, it was really nice course because it was really practical. So here you can see this is the website of their course, and you can see here basically the content and also the detailed information of the course. So I don't want to just go and repeat those stuff again. So here is the link. You can also go and read by yourself. Just I want to share the experience and the feeling that I had during this time, and how I could achieve the exam, right? So the course, as I mentioned, is really practical, so it's good for DevSecOps engineers or security engineers, or the people who are working in technical aspect of security, right? Just to implementing tools, using different tools, dashboard, pipelines, services, right? So this is really practical for those people. And for me, it took almost 3 months or 2.5 months every day, 2 to 3 hours. I was learning and doing the labs of the course. Also sometimes I had to read the documentation of some of those tools, and sometimes Googling. So it was not a short period, so 2 to 3 months. So for me it took, maybe for you takes longer or shorter, but for me that was the time period that I had to spend on this topic. And the exam was 12 hours, and after that I had to write a report and just share everything that I did during exam. And as you can see here, so they cover SCA, SAS, DAS, IAC, different pipelines, techniques, and so everything. So I would say it's really nice course. So if you are really into DevSecOps or pipelines or hardening or scanning, so this is really nice for you. And so just take this exam. So it's really helpful. I have compared the same course, DevSecOps, with other DevSecOps course that were available on the internet, and I like this course the most. And I have to tell you that it was really easy to follow the content, and also there was no need for us to create environments, labs. Everything was already there. So you just need the browser and then through a web app, so you can access everything, all the materials that you need. So you will be given different services, different servers, and everything is there. So you don't need to worry about the implementation of the environment. You are just ready to go and to learn. And so I have to I wanted to share this experience. And the exam was not easy, was not hard. So the 12 hours for some people are a lot of time, for some people are not. For me, it was okay. At the end, I didn't have that much extra time, but I didn't have also time pressure. So I was okay. It was okay for me, but it really depends how you learn and how much you practice, right? So, but for me, so I think I spent enough time to learn materials. So for me, it was not a big deal at the time. I didn't have time problem, right? So, but as I mentioned, it really depends on you and how you get ready for exam and how you want to pass this. But so I just want to share that. So put in the comment if you have any other questions, or if you already got the certificate, also share it there. And if this video was helpful for you, please like it and subscribe my channel. It really helps me and other people to see this video, right? So it costs nothing, but it can really help everybody, and especially me. And so I hope you enjoyed. If you have any other question, just put in the comment. I will answer them, right? Take care. See you. Bye bye.